Hello everyone. Let us see how to write a research proposal step by step. So what is a research proposal? A research proposal is a formal document that outlines the purpose, scope, methodology and significance of a proposed study. It serves as a roadmap for the research project and is essential for securing approval, funding or academic support. Writing a clear and compelling research proposal is crucial, whether for academic research, grants or professional projects. First, it should include the title page, the title of the proposal, which should be concise and descriptive. From the title, it should be clear what are you trying to propose. Then it should have the researcher's name and affiliation. Most important thing, the date of submission and the name of the supervisor, institution or funding organization if it is applicable. Next important step is writing the abstract. You should write a brief summary of the research proposal, which should highlight the research problem or question, the objectives of the study, a concise overview of the methodology, the significance of the research, and most importantly, the abstract should be approximately 150 to 250 words and not more than that. Third point, it should include the introduction. The introduction sets the context for the study and captures the reader's interest. For example, when we see a book, we see what is written on its first page or on the front cover, and that shows how interesting the book is. So similarly, the introduction sets the context for the study and it captures the reader's interest. It should include the background information. It should include research problem, objectives, research questions, and significance. Next most important thing is the literature review. It summarizes existing research relevant to your topic, demonstrating your understanding of the field. It identifies gaps, that is, highlight gaps or limitations in current knowledge. Theoretical framework, discuss theories or models that underpin the study. Connection to research, explain how your research builds on or diverges from existing study. Next is research methodology. Provide a detailed description of how you plan to conduct the research. Include the research design. Specify whether the study is qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods. Population and sampling. Define the target population and sampling methods. Data collection methods. For example, describe the tools, how you're going to collect the data. Data analysis technique. Explain how the data will be analyzed using what techniques or tools. Then ethical consideration. Address ethical issues such as informed consent and confidentiality. Expected results. Discuss the anticipated outcomes of the research. Use predictions, that is, provide a hypothesis or expected findings based on existing knowledge. Highlight how the findings will advance the field or solve the research problem which will contribute to knowledge. Next is timeline. Create a timeline for completing the research. Include key milestones. For example, in 1 or 2 months, you will complete the literature review and proposal finalization. In third to fourth month, you will do the data collection. In 5 to 6 month, data analysis and report writing will be done. If budget is applicable, then you have to list out the proper financial resources which are required for research, the equipment costs, participant incentives, travel and accommodations expenses, software or licensing fees. Also, in the end, you have to include the references, that is, include a comprehensive list of all sources cited in the proposal. Use a citation style appropriate for your discipline, for example, APA, MLL, Chicago, etc. Appendices is optional. Attach a supplementary material such as questionnaires or survey instruments, data collection templates, ethical approval forms. Thank you.